What happened?
Yeah, you can put some post on social media. Put your legs up, please. Stay right there.
Are y'all with him?
Yes.
All right. For protocol, come up against the wall for me, partner. Come on. Yes, there.
Can posting 4 frustrated words on Instagram send you to federal prison? At Tampa International Airport in 2025. The answer arrived in under 15 minutes following a single FBI notification. What exactly does the law say? And where is the line?
137. You just keep the radio clear.
Are you flying with him? Yeah, we just gotta talk to him real quick.
That's a little weird, though. No,
yeah, it is. Yeah. Just do me a favor real quick.
Well, we'll explain in a minute.
Walk for me, please. Stay right there.
All right. What happened?
Yeah,
we'll
you can put
some
post on social media. Put your legs up, please. Stay right there. You putting some threats on social media about bombing the airport?
We are doing. We are aggravated.
You are aggravated? Did you say anything out like that?
I deleted right away.
You deleted it, so you did send those out.
Yeah, but I promise you I deleted it.
What did they say?
I'm aggravated with this.
Okay.
It's because of social media. I don't know how to put.
Yeah. No, stay right there. Don't turn around. Stay right there.
I swear to God, I don't got anything on me. What?
Well, here's the thing: when you post those things,
I understand.
they're immediately flagged.
Okay.
So you could post it and take it down in a half a second, and they're flagged. So this is why we're here.
What are you guys doing?
We'll explain in a minute.
Why is he handcuffed?
Well, why is he being?
Because it's a criminal investigation. He posted that he wanted to
I
bomb
understand
the
that, miss, but
airport. That's a problem. The FBI is involved.
100%.
So
100%,
let's leave it at that right now.
But wait, what is going to happen now? Why
I don't know. We're
going
going to talk to him. So.
You look at it from our point of view. The FBI is involved.
100%.
He made a comment
100%.
on social media. Okay.
100%.
Your man's not on the ground. He was not hit. He was not hurt.
I respect that.
Okay. I just got here. I saw from a distance.
I just want to know what's going on.
Okay.
Because the officer came over here kind of aggressive and just grabbed him up. That's the only thing. So we've been here since 6 in the morning.
All right. Are y'all with him?
Yes.
All right. For protocol, come up against the wall for me, partner. Come on. Yes, there. I listen. I know. Just listen.
I don't have no problem, G.
All right. We're just detaining you right now because of what happened, and y'all are traveling with them, okay?
100%. Just want y'all to know we're just standing here.
I got it, man. This is
I want documentation.
You will, sir. Everything's on body cam and being recorded.
Thank you so much.
We have no way to delete, change,
I hope not.
or anything.
May I turn around?
It's on. Give me a second. Double lock.
Okay, y'all never been in handcuffs a day in my life, bro. And I've been handcuffs in an airport. I hope y'all know this is embarrassing.
That's something to talk to your friend about after.
I can't say anything because I'm mad about my flight. I can't say anything like that.
You have to be responsible of what you say, okay? Otherwise, they wouldn't call us here, okay? But before I ask you any question or before you say anything, let me read you your right, okay?
I'm not going to go nowhere, sir. I'm not going to go nowhere, sir.
Okay, so this is reference to what you posted online earlier, and we get a call from the federal government, okay? And then that's here we are, okay? Possible. Yeah. Okay, so let me just read you your warning of constitutional right before I ask you any question, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to consult with an attorney before you make statement or answer any question. Okay? And the right to have an attorney present during questioning. You tracking me so far? Yes. Okay. If you want an attorney but cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before and during questioning free of charge. Okay? You may use any of these rights at any time before or during questioning, and you may stop the interview at any time. Okay? You understand your right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you willing to answer questions or make statement without attorney being present?
Yeah, I ask questions, but I'm just trying to, sir, I agree.
Okay. So just right now, just give me a yes or no. Okay. Have anyone threatened you, coerced you, or promised you anything to cause you to answer a question or statement? Oh, okay, thank you. All right. Since you're in handcuff, it's recorded that I read you your right. and you are waiving your right now. Okay.
Just tell them what you told me, because before when I spoke with you, you said that
So basically-
on social media that you
basically-
said you were about to
All right,
pissed
basically,
off.
all right, basically, we're just aggravated because we missed our closing our door by 4 minutes.
Okay.
I know.
So,
give them the exact verbiage that you said when you told me.
Of course, I know. I understand.
Okay.
So basically, right when that happened, I was literally aggravated on social media. I just I'm gonna bomb this airport, but it wasn't in that reference. I said I'm gonna just bomb this airport because I was like, what the f***, yo? We missed our door by 4 minutes. That's all it was.
Okay.
And after I posted it, my wife even said, you can't stop posting stuff like that. And when I went to take it down, it literally said, your post has been removed.
Okay.
So once it did that, it went off. I'm like, okay, thank God, because it's wild. Once after I posted it, I noticed it. Like this shit, you can't say this shit.
Yeah.
And she said you gotta watch what you post. And literally, right when I went to go delete it, I got a notification literally saying it's off, and that's it. That's really it.
Okay, let me and which social media platform?
It was just literally Instagram. It was on my Instagram story.
Instagram. Okay.
Instagram
And it's gone now. It's been removed by
Yes,
Instagram.
Yes.
Okay. And around what time did you do it?
Honestly, our flight got missed at. We missed our flight by 8 o'clock, 8:10.
Right around 8:10.
Yeah, 8:10. Yeah.
So between 8 and 8:10.
Yeah, like around that time.
Okay.
Because our flight was at 8 o'clock. We got to our gate at 7:51. And we were already closed.
And after you posted, it got flagged by Instagram first,
Yes.
or you remove it first?
But right when I closed my phone, it got flagged. And when I opened up my phone and I seen it, I was like, oh shit, I went to delete it. And literally, it was already deleted.
Okay.
It was already deleted.
Okay.
Instagram works fast, so.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. When you post something about bombing.
No, when
yeah,
you post
just,
anything like has to do with curses or anything, it'll get taken down.
And verbatim, what was that post says?
It just says I'm gonna bomb this airport, and then literally.
So you say I'm going to bomb this airport?
Yeah, I'm saying I'm bombing the airport, because, and then I literally. So you can search me all you want. I don't have anything on me.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go home to my son, and that's about it.
Okay. And then where you going to?
I'm going to North New Jersey.
Okay.
I gotta pick up my son. He's
Okay.
literally home. He's literally with his grandmother.
Okay.
And it literally got deleted 4 minutes after I posted it.
And what gate was that you supposed to go to?
Honestly, I think we're in 8-8 at
Okay.
first.
When you take the photo and post it on Instagram, where were you?
I was honestly sitting at the Auntie Anne's right there.
Oh, so you were right here by
Yeah,
Auntie
I
Anne?
was just sitting there right
Okay.
at Auntie Anne's.
Okay.
We're gonna get put on a checklist now.
No. Not you guys, anyway.
Yo, Rob, you always get put on a checklist, bro. Now you don't got no choice.
But I'm trying to go to different countries, so.
Now you don't got no choice, bro. You gonna have to definitely drive.
Wait, did you guys have to clear the area?
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
Oh my god. I thought people just got
It's
up
part
because
of
they got
protocol.
scared. Shit, we're gonna be on TikTok.
I'm not surprised. I'm gonna request this footage. I'm gonna request everybody footage.
So y'all knew about the post?
No, I was sleeping. That's why I'm
I
so
know about it
agitated.
after it was taken down.
You knew about it after it was taken down?
Yeah.
What did he post it on? Snapchat?
Instagram.
Insta? Okay.
It's like saying, oh my god, like I'm here in this stupid ass airport type of comment. But we decided to say that.
No, it's more than that, but
No. But like I'm saying, like as an example, that's the type of attitude of the joke is where it was coming from.
Yeah.
They all coming with us? What did they do wrong?
We're gonna interview everybody down there.
But the other guy, I'm gonna need that other guy's name for sure.
No, the one that just disappeared. He thinks
Yeah,
he's forget about.
He kept pushing me around before he pushed me around and didn't even tell me anything. He started patting me down. Mid-pat down, that's what I'm going to tell me something. But that's animal rights. That's animal rights. That's all I'm saying. Just let me know what's going on before you push me against the wall and start patting me down.
I don't really care for any of this.
I'll be on muscle from you. So go home. This one probably missing that 4 now. And if that's the case, we have to get a rental car and drive all the way back. I'm not doing any that shit.
Let's do it.
All right, I'm gonna do a search on you, and then I'll put you in the back seat, okay?
That's our. That's
The
our.
boarding pass?
Yeah.
Okay.
For the next one. Can I leave it here?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You know what I'm saying?
I got a question though. Am I gonna get like? I have to get naked and get searched too?
We don't do strip search here.
I just want to. I was just asking. Yeah, I was just asking because because some places is different.
Pocket.
I actually have shorts underneath if you want to check my shorts too. I probably got tissue in there. That's about it. Yeah. I gotta work overtime to pay gas back here.
Get that. All right. I'll get back to you later.
Slide down? Slide all the way down?
Yeah.
Charge filed. False report of a bomb or explosive under Florida Statute Section 790.163. Classification: second-degree felony. Maximum 15 years imprisonment. Parallel federal exposure under 49 U.S.C. Section 46,000. 507 carries up to 20 years. No physical device. No plan, no prior threat history. The words alone constitute the criminal offense. Before Miranda was administered, the subject voluntarily admitted to making the post. Rhode Island v. Innis, 1,980. Unsolicited statements made prior to any interrogation do not require Miranda warnings and are fully admissible as evidence. The moment of first contact is the moment of highest legal exposure. Anything said before rights are administered is already part of the prosecutorial record. Miranda v. Arizona, 1,966 was correctly administered before formal questioning commenced. The waiver obtained, however, was ambiguous and not explicitly confirmed. North Carolina v. Butler, 1,979. An implied waiver inferred from subsequent cooperation satisfies the Fifth Amendment requirement. Waiving Miranda rights without consulting counsel is the single most consequential decision a subject can make in any custodial encounter. Watts v. United States, 1,969. True threats against persons or property are not protected speech under the First Amendment. Political hyperbole directed at government institutions may be protected. Location-specific. First-person statements made while physically present at the named location do not fall within the hyperbole exception. Courts have consistently declined to treat airport bomb statements as legally ambiguous. Counterman v. Colorado 2023 is the controlling Supreme Court precedent on mental state. Criminal liability requires proof only of recklessness. The speaker must have consciously disregarded the substantial risk the statement would be perceived as a genuine threat. Florida Section 790.163 requires intent to deceive, mislead, or misinform. Under Counterman, recklessness satisfies this intent element. Attempting to delete the post immediately is evidence of that conscious awareness. 3 legal principles this case demonstrates. Social media content moderation and federal monitoring operate faster than manual deletion. Deleting the post did not prevent the arrest. The record existed before the deletion completed. Voluntary statements before and after Miranda, without consulting counsel, carry equal risk. Reckless disregard for how a statement will be received is now a legally sufficient basis for criminal prosecution of a threat under established federal doctrine. The subject cooperated fully. The officer followed correct procedure throughout. The charge is documented. The contested question is the intent element under the statute. At what point does frustration-driven language become a prosecutable criminal threat? Where does protected expression end and reckless endangerment of public safety begin? The court in this case has not yet drawn that line. And as the law stands today under Counterman, that boundary remains deliberately open to judicial interpretation.